Now, this is a simple question based on simplification. If you can see, we have to find out square roots, and basically it's a match the following question. Okay. So keep an eye on the options and then start solving. So let's solve the first one here. Now, always remember to count the number of decimal after the dot. Okay, the digits after the decimal point. So here we have 2, and whenever it is multiplication, it gets added. So 2 plus 3, there are 5 digits in the numerator after the decimal. Over here as well, there are 5 digits after the decimal point. So basically, we can convert this into a question without decimals. Okay. So the first option A, okay, it is nothing but 81 into 484 divided by 64 into 625. Okay. Now square roots, and you can identify all the squares. So 81 square root is 9, 484 square root is 22, 64 square root is 8, and 625 square root is 25. We can divide this by 2. So 11, this is 4. So we get here 11 nines are 99 upon 100. That is 0.99. So this is our answer. So option A and option B get eliminated. Now you can see option B either will be fourth option or the first option. Depending on what we get, the correct option will either be C or D. Okay. So let's do option B. Okay. Now see here, after the decimal there are 3 digits, and after the decimal here also there are 2 and 1, 3 digits. So they will also get cancelled out. So B also we can write it down without decimals. So this is 204 into 42 divided by 7 into 34. Okay. So 7 6 are 42, 2 3s are 2 into 17. Okay. Now 204 divided by 17 is 17 1s are 17, 17 2s are 34. So square root of 36, 12 3s are 36. Now square root of 36 is 6. So therefore this is our answer for B. So therefore answer will be option C. Okay. So we can do these type of questions very fast by elimination. Do not waste time in solving.